But there is an impact of heavy rains over in Karnataka as well. Anusha is joining us live from Bellandur Lake in Bengaluru. And Anusha, I believe the situation there is that the toxic foam over the lake has worsened following heavy rains. What are the details that you can get us at this time? Anusha, if you can hear me, we wanted to get an update from you on the toxic foam which has worsened due to heavy rains that have been reported. And of course, the visuals that we can get at this point in time from Bellandur Lake, once again showing that foam over the lake, which is also perhaps another impact of the heavy rains that the region has seen in the last couple of weeks.
But the situation in Bangalore perhaps is a nightmare for the residents in the villages in and around Bellandur. The Bellandur Lake, thanks to the rain that the city has been witnessing for the last few days, has started to foam up again. This is not the only problem that the residents here face. Because of the rain, there has been disturbance in the garbage disposal mechanism of the BBMP as well. Basically, the city of Bangalore is turning into a sinkhole, with one side lakes like Bellandur and Yemlur frothing and stinking for the residents in and around, and the rest of the city is also suffering from a garbage crisis because of non-scientific disposal of the same. As of now, for the last 2 or 3 days, this has been the situation at Bellandur Lake. Because of each time the city sees rains, Bellandur Lake foams up. For the last 2 days, the kind of rain that Bangalore as a city has been witnessing is light drizzles to light showers. Perhaps that has ended up, with Bellandur Lake foaming up, the residents in and around revisiting their nightmare, really asking if there is no scientific permanent solution to this problem. But the authorities do not have an answer.
Absolutely, they do not have an answer, and they're not trying to find out any solution. As we can see, the situation is quite alarming out there near the villages around Bellandur Lake. Thanks very much for the moment, Anusha, joining us from Bangalore, and of course, Pooja and Shabir getting us updates from Chennai. We'll continue updating our viewers with the latest on the situation. Thanks very much for the moment.